Number 1, you are going to simplify by adding the polynomial by writing the answer in standard form. So here, notice we are going to be adding. So all we have to do is add it by the degree. The highest degree here, we have an 4x squared and an x squared. So this is what goes here, 4x squared plus x squared. That's the first part. Then we have this part, the negative 2x and the 3x. That's degree 1. So we're going to add that. Negative 2x, and this is a plus 3x. And then the last part, we have an 8 and a negative 2 plus 8 and negative 2. Right? Now we can then combine it. 4x squared and x squared. Well, there's really a 1 here. So this becomes 5, and it remains as x squared. This is degree 2. Then the blue part, which is our degree 1. Negative 2x plus 3x. This is 1x, but no one really writes that 1. So you could just write it as just x. Then you have 8 minus 2, which is 6, so plus 6. This would be the complete polynomial in standard form. Now let's take a look at B. Same idea. Okay, so we start off with the highest degree, degree 2, and this is also degree 2. Parentheses 4x squared plus 2x squared. Then our next degree, we're going to add negative 2x, and that's with 2x here. Then our last one, which is our constant, 8 and negative 5. Now we add 4x squared plus 2x squared becomes 6x squared. Then you have negative 2x plus 2x, this becomes 0x. Then you have 8 minus 5, that becomes plus 3. Technically, no one writes that 0x because 0x just becomes 0. So you could take this away and you can just simplify that to that. 6x squared plus 3. And then you have number 3 here. Okay. The highest exponent is the degree 2. Degree 2, 5x squared and x squared. 5x squared plus x squared. Then you have degree 1, negative x and plus x. Negative x plus x. Then you have the constant, 5 and negative 5, plus 5 and negative 5. All right, 5x squared plus x squared, this becomes 6x squared. Negative x plus x, that becomes plus 0x. And then 5 minus 5, that becomes plus 0. Notice, we don't ever write that plus 0. And we don't ever write that plus 0x because that is just 0. So the full answer is just 6x squared.